Sammy, look! Your package came. It's all your fan mail.
Whoa! I can't believe I finally get to read them all. With love from Sally. From your biggest fan, Steve! Sam, you're my idol. I always watch every single one of your videos. I love you, Lily!
Here's another pack. Huh, it's a full day's work.
Dear Sam, my name's Teddy and I love your videos. I dream about a cozy little house of my own. Can you help me, please? Sue, this is the most touching letter I've ever read. We have to help him.
Aw, Sammy. Of course we'll help.
That's enough admiration letters for the day. Let's get to business.
But before we do that, let's figure out what shape our house is going to be.
First, we need the base for a big and beautiful house. Oh, wait. Here, I remembered that I had a box very suitable in size.
That's right. And it's even more fitting this way.
But it's not enough. Teddy knows I'm very fancy, so we need to decorate the walls.
Well, right here, we can do something minimalistic and beautiful. For example, we can choose beige as calm and neutral.
No, that won't work. I won't give up and find my dream wallpaper. Let's see what we've got here. Where do these footprints lead? Ow! That's right. How could I have forgotten about my fan gifts? Yay! That's exactly what we need. That's what I'm talking about. Look how beautiful it is.
Here, let me help you. And of course, we can't forget about the windows.
Beautiful view from the window. Check!
Let's start working on the kitchen. I'll do the countertop and oven, and you do the decoration.
Here, I've rounded up everything I need to decorate the kitchen.
Oh, I really like the kind of decorations you've come up with this time.
They're the best ones. Everything has to be thought through.
I trust you completely, Sammy.
Okay, let's see what we have left. Oh, hello, beautiful. I'll only eat one. Ew! What is this? Yuck! Sue, look! I brought beads for detailing and decorating.
Oh, how quickly you found everything. These are exactly the beads I had in mind.
Yeah, that's just the way I am. Super crafter and all that.
And so humble. Oh, I can't find anything suitable for this piece.
Maybe spaghetti will help? Or maybe not. And the thread is too weak. Ah, why didn't I think of that from the start? Here, your jewelry helped a lot, Sue.
You know, sometimes your thinking really surprises me. You will totally wow your friend Teddy with your creativity.
Anything for my new best friend. Careful now.
And what are you up to?
Just trust the process. Oh no, it's too big. Okay, let's go this way. I guess that didn't work out.
Why did everything turn into such chaos in a second?
It wasn't me. It was my evil double. Better check this out. Nail polish will work better than paint.
Good save, and a very useful find for our craft. Let's make sure Teddy is always fed and happy. He will have the most comfortable kitchen to cook in. Now, we'll make a refrigerator so Teddy has a place to store all his food. All right now, we need doors.
I've thought everything through in advance.
That's why you're so good at crafting, Sammy. Our fridge looks pretty good, right?
Oh yeah, and here I have everything Teddy might need.
He will also need a table and chairs.
They should be very pretty, but I can't find the right fabric. Oh, hold on. What a beautiful pattern. Let's go with it, Sue.
If you say so. This would make a great addition to the decor.
Hey, wait a minute. Wasn't it my all-time favorite scarf? Oh no, I got it
Sammy, it's okay. Don't be upset. Better look at how beautiful the kitchen turned out.
You're right. I can always make myself a new scarf. I mean, they don't call me a super crafter for nothing.
Now, let's deal with the living room. It has to be cute and cozy.
I've already picked out the colors.
Oh, I always admire your taste in designs.
I'm good at entertainment, too.
A TV? Great. We also need a coffee table. To munch on snacks, you know.
Let me help you with it. Here you go.
Wow, so fancy.
And now we're going to make a couch for Teddy, in case he wants to take a nap. You know, I love my power nap. Ouch!
Sammy, be careful. And you're right. Here's a cozy couch for the very best nap.
And now, a little bit of magic.
Wow. I love how the living room turned out. Also, it's important to have a piece of nature in your home. Okay, I think we're ready to start working on the second floor.
First, we need to finish the stairs. Bam, bam, bam. Done! Looks much better this way, right?
Right, and the base for the second floor is done.
Such a yummy juice. By the way, do you need any help?
Sammy, you've already helped. Thank you.
Yay!
We'll use your straw to make a shower. And this will be a dressing table.
Teddy definitely needs a mirror so he can admire himself. Let me clean a bit. Hey, why isn't it working? I don't understand. I see. I can't think with an empty stomach. Yummy. Ooh, I got it. Sue, you will never believe how I came up with this mirror.
Let me guess. It all started when you decided to grab a bite?
You know me so well, but I'm done with food for the next 10 minutes. It didn't work with cardboard. Maybe it'll work with cookies. I was wrong. Very wrong. You can never be done with food. Especially with cakes.
Oh, Sammy! How did you manage to make a cake?
With the help of my creative thinking, of course.
Teddy's bed will be customized to fit his shape.
A little to the left, straight ahead, perfect. Sue, we've got company.
Hey, Sue, we decided to help as well.
Yeah, we have a gift for Teddy.
Oh, guys, thank you so much. So thoughtful.
And I've decided to give Teddy my favorite blanket.
That is so sweet of you, Sammy. After all, sharing is caring.
He'll have the best dreams on these soft pillows.
That's right. Well, Sammy, what do you think of this room?
I think everything would look even better with a shelf.
Oh, what a lovely idea.
Here's one more lovely idea, a little stool.
Let me just add a few more touches to make it even cozier in here.
We shouldn't forget about safety, too.
Good call, Sammy.
Teddy will arrive any minute. I am so excited, Sue. Everything looks amazing.
Hi there. I'm Teddy. May I come in?
Oh, finally. Sure, buddy. Come on in.
Wow, did you do all this for me?
Of course.
Wow.
Here, let me show you everything. This is your cozy kitchen to have the best meals.
Oh, I totally love it. I can't believe my eyes. It's the best kitchen ever.
You haven't seen the rest yet. Let's go to the living room.
There is everything to feel relaxed after a long day, even a TV and flowers.
How about you go ahead and look around upstairs?
Sam, I don't know if I'll ever be able to thank you. It's wonderful. Oh, this bed is exactly my shape.
Check out your new bathroom, buddy.
Whoa, Sam, you're my best friend. Thank you so much.
And you're my best friend. I'm so happy you love the house.
So, everything is ready for the tea party.
And here's my signature cake for my best friends.
Cool. I can't wait to try it. Hey,
I'll just give it a quick try to make sure everything's okay.
Sammy, the cake was meant for your friends, remember?
so can I try it now? Huh?
Nope, I will try it first. Bye-bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Sammy, no! See you soon, friends. Give this video a like and subscribe. Sam, come back.
Guys, wait for me.